Hello and welcome back to Igbo Online College. If you're a new subscriber, I welcome you in a special way. For you, thank you for coming to this channel. Thank you for subscribing, and I thank my returning subscribers. Thank you. In fact, you all are the reason I still upload videos today, because you encourage me a whole lot. And if you've not subscribed, please do so, because it particularly encourages me to keep doing this. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to say your greetings when you meet an Igbo person in the afternoon. Yes, in the last video, one of my uploads, I talked about morning greetings. How you greet an Igbo person when you meet him or her in the morning, or when you wake up from the same house. Okay, today we are talking about when you meet somebody, not in the morning, during the day. How do you say your greetings in Igbo? Good. Let's delve right into it. Igbo greetings. When you want to greet somebody during the day, it depends on what the person is doing at the time you met the person. So we are going to take it one after the other. Assuming you walked into somebody's space, compound, office, wherever, somebody's space, and you want to say hello, you either say Ndewo if it is a man. If you know the person, you can address the person like uncle or whatever. But if you don't know the person, you can say Ndewo Nnanyukwu for a man. Or if he has a name tag, Mr. Maxwell, Mr. whatever, you can say Ndewo Mr. Maxwell, or whatever you know the person is addressed by. You can say Dalukwa for one person. Ndewo is for one person too. And when they are more than one, when they are 2 or 3 or whatever number, you say Ndewonu. You can also say Ndewonu. Ndewonu. That nu is plural. It pluralizes the greeting. If it is Dalu, you want to use Dalu no, Dalu kwano, or Dalu no. Let me quickly say that you shouldn't be confused, because Ndewo and Dalo means thank you, thank you. That shouldn't bother you, because like I will always say, Igbo is contextual. So in this context, it becomes greeting. In the context of saying thank you, it becomes thank you. Okay, so I've talked to you about Ndewo, Ndewonu for plural, Ndewo, Ndewo. You can just freestyle. You want to go? You can say Dalu, Dalukwa, Dalukwano for more than one. Dalukwano, Dalu, Dalukwa. Freestyle, don't be want to speak it, you'll be rigid. No, just freestyle, So that is it. We come to again, when you meet somebody, you can also say, if it's somebody you are familiar with, you can say Kenkeneme anywhere. This serves, what I said now serves for anywhere, but particularly when you enter a person's space that is, it is not an informal setting, you can use the ones I just said, Ndewo, Dalo. But when it is an informal place, like the person you know the person you meet, or you know the person you meet in the office, in his space or her space, on the road, you can say Keije, Kedu Ije, Kedu Ije, Kedu Ije. In a slang way, you can say Kewe, Kewe. Keije, how is going? How is the going? Then you can say Kedu Nkeneme, Kedu Nkeneme. You can say Kedu, Kedu, how are you? Kedu kwanu, how are you? Kedu kwanu, how are you? In our Nigerian parlance, kedu kwanu means how now, how are you now? You know, say right, Johnny rock like. Okay, you can say kedu kwanu, kedu ka ị mere, kedu nke na-eme, ka ije, olee ewe, olee etu ị dị. You can use all of this if you did not meet the person walking. When you meet somebody walking, you say dalu olu, dalu olu, dalu olu. Now, when it is plural, you say kedono, kedono, kedono. Just add no at the end. Kedono, kedukwanunu. Dalu no olu for plural. Dalu no olu, dalu no olu. Okay, that is about greeting during the day. Just freestyle it. You can use anyone, and the response to all of these could be odemma or you. When somebody says keije, kedokwan, you say odemma, and you know udo, udo. If it is ndewo, dalu, you can say no, you can say dalukwa. You can respond with dalukwa. But if somebody says kedokwan, which is how are you, keije, udo, odemma, anyị na ya, ife niile na-aga ọfụma, daalụ ọlụ, the response should be daalụ, ndewo, thank you. Okay, we go over to how to say goodbye. You are done with someone, you want to tell the person goodbye, later. How do you say that? In Igbo, you can say ngwan, ngwan, ngwan. Okay, all right. Kodi, till later. Kodi, let it be. Maybe later, some other time. Good, some other time. Kodi. Kemesia, till some other time. You can also say kodi echi, till tomorrow. Kodi ogozo, till next time. Kodi nwanne echi, till next tomorrow, a day after tomorrow. Kemesia, kodi, ngwanu, odimma, all right. Kodi echi, till tomorrow. Kodi nwanne echi, kodi izuka ọzọ, till next week. These are some of the ways you can say goodbye in Igbo. That is why you hear at the end of my videos, I say kemesia. All right, this is where we stop for today. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification so you do not miss any of my contents. Kemesia.